Ever faced a situation like jet lag while traveling? Well, believe it or not, it happens to everyone. You can consider it as a gift of traveling. This episode of Earthy Perks is dedicated to the deeper insights of jet lag and its symptoms. Let's get started. Jet lag, additionally referred to as geographical zone modification syndrome or desynchronisis, happens once someone zips across time zones. It is a state that results from a pause within the body's time unit or circadian rhythms, additionally referred to as the body clock. It is seen as a circadian rhythm disorder. Jet lag will occur once sleep-wake patterns disturbed. A person might feel drowsy, tired, irritable, lethargic, and slightly disoriented. It may end up from traveling across time zones or from doing shift work. The longer zones an individual crosses during a short amount, the additional severe the symptoms probably to be. It is associated with a pause in activity and an absence of synchronization within the brain cells of two components of the brain. The older an individual is, the additional severe their symptoms can unremarkably be. And also, the longer it'll view their body clock to urge back to synchronize. Children sometimes have milder symptoms, and they recover quicker. To understand the concept of jet lag, we'd like to understand regarding circadian rhythms. Circadian rhythms, or the body clock, 24-hour cycles within the organic chemistry, physiological, and behavioral processes of our bodies. They regulate daily activities like sleep, walking, eating, and vital sign regulation. Jet lag seems to involve a pause in two separate, however joined, system of neurons within the brain. These neurons are part of a structure referred to as the suprachiasmatic nucleus, SCN. The SCN is found below the neural structure at the bottom of the brain. One of these groups of neurons is related to deep sleep and also the effects of physical fatigue. The other cluster controls the dream state of fast eye movement, REM sleep. The body clock is driven by an enclosed timekeeping system. However, it's plagued by external environmental factors, like the light-dark cycle of night and day. When the body clock gets out of sync and desires to be reset, jet lag results. Traveling across completely different time zones and rummaging daylight and darkness cycles that are different from the rhythms. Jet lag affects patterns of sleeping and waking, and of eating and working. When jet lag happens, hormonal secretion levels get out of synchronize with the surroundings. Vital sign additionally varies consistent with the body clock. Jet lag can continue till of these factors will respond properly to the new surroundings. When moving eastward, symptoms feel additionally severe. As a result of our bodies have less time to recover. Traveling westward adds hours to our days, whereas moving eastward reduces them. This means that our bodies have less time to regulate and sync up with a biological time once flying east. Traveling from north to south or south to north will cause extra issues because the seasons square measure totally different. However, for jet lag to happen, there should be associated east-west or west-east movement. Symptoms of jet lag are diverse. They include sleep disturbances, insomnia, lethargy and fatigue, a heavy, aching head, irritability, confusion, and problem focusing. It can also show as loss of craving, a dizzy, unsettling feeling, and channel disturbances like diarrhea or constipation. You cannot avoid jet lag. You have to deal with it. It further depends on the severity of symptoms, which decides further actions. On this note, this is Earthy Perks signing off. Till next episode, stay tuned and keep watching Earthy Perks.